this video I'm going to tell you how to make Gamepass on Roblox. So first of all, open a search bar and type roblox.com. So you have to go to roblox.com and enter it. So it will take you to official website of Roblox. And once you here guys, you have to tap on create option, but before that you have to enable the desktop site mode, whether you are using a Chrome browser or your Microsoft Edge. So right now I'm using Microsoft Edge, and just enable the desktop site mode on your browser. Once you enable that, just tap on create tab. Now so just enable the desktop site mode here, just tap on it, and once you enable, so it will now easily open here creator studio. So now if you want to create a Gamepass guys, just tap on this image in experience tab. Now you have to go to dash menu option here and choose here associate items. So now you can see the passes option here, so just tap on it, and now you can see I will created lots of game passes here. So if you want to create game pass, just tap on create pass, and guys don't skip here because I'm gonna show you how to configure it. So after the new update, the configure option will not be visible next to the Gamepass, so you have to do it other way. So upload the image first. So let's upload this image. I have to go other way. Let's upload this image, or I have to do it again. Let's upload this image and enter the Gamepass name here. Now you have to enter the description, so it's optional, you can leave it empty. Now you have to tap on create pass option. So now your game pass will be created. So guys, once you created the game pass, now the Roblox server will review your game pass, and now it is set for the it is set for it is set as a off sale, so you have to tap on it to set it up for the sale. Now you have to choose the menu option here. You have to choose this menu option here and go to this sale option to enable it for the sale. Now you can enable it by pressing the toggle button. Now you have to enter the price here. So I'm going to set the price of it as 60 Robux. So you will get 70% of it, means 42 Robux will be credit to you after the any user purchase your game pass. So now just tap on save changes. So now your game pass has been added or created. Now you can add this game pass in please donate. So hope you understood guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. So that's how you can create your game pass on Roblox.